Alrighty, fifth graders. So we're gonna use this time to review because it's been a short little while since we've gone over this math, okay? So number one, draw a tape diagram to solve. This is the tape diagram, okay? Express your answer as a fraction. Show the multiplication sentence, this is it right here, to check your answer. The first one is done for you. So we're going to move right on to letter B and solve this one together. We have 2 divided by 3 is equal to blank. Okay, first step, draw a tape diagram. I've already done it for you, and the way I did it was the second number tells you how many units or boxes there are going to be. So according to the second number, there should be 3 boxes or 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay? This first number tells you what it's all equal to. All right? So the first number tells us what 3 units would be equal to, and that is 2. Okay? Now I'm going to explain this even further. All right, so how many units do we have? We have 3 units. What does it equal? It equals 2. Okay, 3 units equals 2. Now we're going to work into 1 unit, okay? 1 unit is equal to 2 divided by 3. Or we can write it 2 over 3, or we can say it 2/3. So to explain this further to you guys, 1 box, 1 unit is 2/3. Okay? 1 box is 2/3. 1 box is 2/3. Okay? So the way we would express it as a fraction would be 2/3. Okay? Now let's move on to the multiplication sentence to check our answer. Alrighty, guys. So we're going to write check, and the first number is how many units do we have? Okay? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 units times how many is in each unit? We have 2/3. Okay? So 3 times 2/3, if you'll see here, you have 3 2/3 is equal to what? Well, the way we're going to solve that is we do 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. And that equals to, you add the top numbers, you add these top numbers, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. The bottom number, the denominator, does not change. So what you end up with is 6 over 3. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to see how many times can 3 go into 6. Okay, so let's see. If you guys take a look at my little box right here. Okay, so, oops. 3 goes into 6 how many times? In other words, 3 times blank is equal to 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay? So the answer would be 3 goes into 6 2 times. And the way we know that our answer is correct is we end up with what it all equals to. The 3 units of 2/3 is equal to 2. So we are correct. Okay? Let's move on to letter D. All right? Now, remember, we draw the tape diagram first. The second number tells you how many boxes, how many units to make. So according to this second number, how many units or boxes should I have? I should have 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then the first number tells you how much it all equals to. So I have my 5 units should all equal to 14. All right. Now we're going to move on to explaining this, okay? So again, my 5 units, my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units should equal 14. 14. Okay, we're going to delve into this 1 unit right here. 1 unit equals 14 divided by 5. Again, 14 divided by 5. And the way we would write that in fraction form is 14 fifths. Okay, and again, each unit is equal to 14 fifths. Okay, 14 fifths. So in fraction form, our answer is 14 fifths. All right, now we need to check the problem. All right. And so, where did I get my 5 from? I got my 5 from how many units we have, okay? Times 14 fifths. Where did I get 14 fifths from? Remember, in each unit is 14 fifths, okay? And so in the second step, we extend this problem by using addition. Okay, so I'm going to add 14 fifths how many times? 5 times. So 14 fifths plus 14 fifths plus 14 fifths plus 14 fifths plus 14 fifths. This should be 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these top 14s would equal 70, and over the denominator, remember the denominator does not change, it stays the same. So I end up with 70 fifths. Now your job is to see how many times can 5 go into 70. Well, just use your fingers for this one because it's easy to count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. That equals 14 times. Okay? Or in other words, 5 times 14 is equal to 70. Okay, guys? I know this can be difficult, and again, if you check my schedule, I will be available from that time on the conference hours where you can directly contact me through Google Classroom. Okay? Talk to you guys later.